Mercedes-Benz Best of the Best Award. Stop in this President's Day weekend and lease the all-new 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4-door coupe. Get it now for just $299 per month for 36 months with $30.94 due at signing. And right now, lease the CLA 250 and receive free 3-year, 30,000-mile maintenance. Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted, where above and beyond comes standard. Visit mbohio.com, a Bernie Marino company. Plus tax, title, license, and dock fees. Due at signing includes $19.99 cap cost reduction, $7.95 acquisition fee, and first month's lease payment. No security deposit. With approved credit, 10,000 miles per year, 25 cents thereafter. 2 or more at this price. Maintenance value $11.75. Off rents $228.15. People who can afford a LASIK procedure sure are lucky. Imagine being able to throw away your contacts and glasses. Imagine waking up tomorrow with 20/20 vision. Too bad everyone can't afford LASIK. Well, guess what? There's a company that agrees with you. The LASIK Vision Institute is now offering dramatically low prices on high-quality LASIK to make it affordable for everyone. That means you get the latest FDA-approved LASIK technology for a fraction of what others charge. And if you call right now, we'll schedule a free appointment so you can discover if LASIK is right for you. Results may vary. Call 1-800-706-2994. Even better, if you're one of the first 100 callers, ask about an extra 20% discount off our already low-cost services. We've already performed over 1 million procedures. Let us help you.
March 29th. Sometimes may vary. Additional rules and restrictions apply. For the complete official rules, at iHeartRadio.com/awards contest.
The 10 o'clock takeover. You in front of a computer in your underwear, which is exactly how we run the station too. Pick the music at KissCleveland.com.
Sipping on something I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I'll survive. I know I'm acting a bit crazy, strung out a little bit hazy. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive. It's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear, but I'm not alive until you call. And now but the odds against it all. Save your life 'cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart won't let it go. The heart wants what it wants. You got me scattered in pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappear and make me wait, and every second's like torture. Heroin with no more.